Hi, today we are reviewing an Apple Vision Pro case that I got on Amazon. This was about 16 bucks. I'll link it in my description or in the comments. And there are a lot of other Apple Vision Pro cases out there, but I bought this one, and for 16 bucks, it's actually a really great deal, considering you can see other ones for $20, $30, even the official one, which is crazy amount, at $200. So I bought this on Amazon. I'll link it on the comments. But here it is. It's a pretty hard case here. It's nice build. I actually used this when I went traveling on the airplane, and it was pretty good. I put it in my backpack, and it was really sturdy. Here you can see it opens up here. And now this is not specifically made for the Apple Vision Pro. You can use any other headgear here. In the Amazon link, you can see they also put the Facebook, the Meta Quest headset as well. Comes with eye patches here, so you can cover up your eye lenses so it doesn't scratch. This thing here, I don't know what it's for. I guess you can wrap wires around it. I don't really use it. No need. You can see here, this is the place where you put the Apple Vision Pro. Here you can clamp it in, and then here a little pocket. I put the battery in here, and so here I have my Apple Vision Pro with the covering on it, and you can see here let me take this out. Here you can see it has a right and left label here, and you just stick it on there. You don't really need it. I didn't use it all the time, but I guess as added protection would be nice to have. And here you can see it's on there. You lift up these flaps here. You can fit it in, put it in, and you have to bend it over here. So now you can leave with the battery pack in here with the wire. You can snake it around here. I like to actually remove the battery pack just so it's easier. And you can see here it fits in perfectly, really nicely snugged in here. You do have to bend the little the headband, but it does fit. Nicely done. And then what I do is you can snap it in here for added security. And then for the battery pack, what I do is I just wrap it around like so, and then I put it in here. And the it's safe. I'll just make sure the connection is securely secured in here, so this way it doesn't rattle around and bang it or scratch the Apple Vision Pro. Here you can close it like so, and there you have it. It's nice cardboard in the back, so it's nice and hard all the way around. So I mean, I wouldn't have anything heavy on it, but it's good just putting in your suitcase or your backpack. That is fine. It's pretty sturdy. When I went through security check, I just left it on the security tray. I didn't have to open up my Apple Vision Pro, the case or anything, so that was really nice. But for 16 bucks, I think it's a great deal. Even after a year or two, or bangs up, gets scratched, or frails a little bit, you can always buy another one. Compared to the $200 official one, or the other $30, $40 ones that you see on Amazon. So here's the Apple Vision Pro case. Again, I'll link it to this in the description, but I really enjoy it. I have it. My friends who also have Apple Vision Pro also have the same exact one. They actually recommended it to me. But here you go. Here you have it. Thanks for watching. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you. Bye-bye.